सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 523। असत्पदार्थानुभवेन किंचित् न ह्यस्त्रितृप्तिर्न च दुःखहानिः तदद्वयानं दरसानुभूत्या तृप्तः सुखं तिष्ठ सदात्मनिष्ठया। From 520 shlokas onwards, the teacher is advising the student, final advice. We have to imagine a student has gone to Gurukulam. It's called Antevasi. That student name is called Antevasi. Having completed the course, he is going away from the teacher. The time the teacher has to remind the whole teaching in nutshell, in the form of advice. What a guru can give the advice, Vedantic teacher. Best advice is never forget the teaching. Always remember your real nature. Never lose sight of your Brahman nature. That's what the Guru is telling. In this shloka, the Guru tells, last class what meaning I have given? I have not given right meaning, I think so. Now I will give the meaning. If you see the previous notes, you can correct it, suppose if anything I have given wrongly. Asat padarthanubhavena kinchit truptihi na asti. Asat padartha means, asat means unreal. Padartha means any object for that matter in this world. Whatever is unreal, asat padartha anubhava, experience, anubhavena, through the experience of any unreal object in the world, kinchit truptihi nasti. There is no an iota of satisfaction at all. Kinchit means little bit. Even a little bit trupti, satisfaction will not be there as long as you are experiencing an unreal object. That is why you ask anyone, are you truptaha, satisfied? And the sound vandidum. No, I am not satisfied. With education, with the parents, with atmosphere, with the studies, with the job, with the salary, with the spouse, with the children, no. Not at all satisfied. So that trupti we are not seeing. That's what in doshas, three doshas, doshatrayam, one is this dosha is that atruptikaratvam. Atrupti is a dosha. Truptiye varamatingirathu enna. Therefore, asat padartha anubhavena truptihi na bhavati. Not only that, dukkahanihi api na asti. Your sorrow will not go away. Dukkha means sorrow. Hanihi means destruction. Destruction of sorrow will never take place through these the experiences of unreal objects. Unreal objects and not only TV, phone, all these things, including your son, daughter, father, mother, your own body, because they are all unreal. Asat padartha anubhava. Therefore, I never get freedom from that sorrow. Dukkha hanihi na asti asat padartha anubhavena. Therefore, whatever I am experiencing through this body, that is not reducing my sadness or sorrow. Dukkha is increasing day by day more and more. So this is what our experience. No trupti, no freedom from sorrow. Every day we are facing this. Therefore he says, tat advayananda rasanabhutya truptaha. Then where is the trupti? When that trupti, satisfaction is not there in that unreal objects experiences, then where is that trupti? I want that trupti, satisfaction. Nimmadi. Nimmadi, another word is trupti. Trupti is nimmadi. Guru says that ananda is in advayanandam. Ananda anubhutya truptahana. What ananda? Advayananda. Advayananda means Brahmananda. Non-dual happiness. What is non-dual? Advayam, non-dual. What is non-dual in this world? Brahman alone is Advayam. That Brahma Jnanam, that non-dual Brahman I am, that Ananda, that notion, that vritti, once you entertain, that Ananda, Anubhutya. Asat padartha anubhutila truptiyu kediyadu, dukkha hani is not there. Whereas in Advayananda anubhutila, there is trupti, purnatvam. Trupti is there. Therefore, sukham tishtha, remain happy. Tishtha means remain, abide. Oh, my dear student, you remain all the time in this sukham. That sukham born out of trupti, satisfaction. That satisfaction born out of advaya ananda anubhuti. Ananda leads to sukham. That when you are happy, joy, that is a pleasure. That pleasure is born out of satisfaction. That satisfaction born out of anubhuti, experience. That anubhuti is the anubhuti of advaya anandam. Who is that advaya anandam? My real nature. So therefore sukham, trupti, where is it? Outside or inside? Not outside, not inside. I myself. For inside and chunna, it is different from me. So myself. Sadatma nisthaya. Nisthaya means with conviction. Without any doubt. Nishtha means sthiratvam. without any doubt, without any vagueness. ನಾನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ இல்லையா அப்பப்போ டவுட் வருதுன்னா ஆனால் நிஷ்டை வரலன்னு அர்த்தம். Once Nishtha comes, you will never lose sight of. Where Nishtha in what? Sadatma. Sadatma Nishtaya. Atma means Atma. Sadatma means you can take in two ways. Sada Atma Nishtaya, all the time in abiding in Atma, you can enjoy, you will get the Sukham. Or you can take in another way, Sat means real, that Atma which is real, abiding in that, you will be happy. இன்னும் ஒன்றும் தெரியலையே சுவாமினி, என்னமோ நீங்கள் சொல்கிற ஆத்மா ஆனந்தவன் எங்கேயோ நியர்பை ஆல்சோ ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு see என்ன. Not you, other people are telling. You are all knowing that Atmanishta is there. So Sadatmanishtaya, Sada Atmanishtaya, all the time abiding in the Atman, you can have that satisfaction. Or abiding in that real, there is Asat Padartha, here Atma is Sat Padartha, which is real, unnegatable. Trikale api tishtati, Trikala abadhyam. That Atma you have to abide. Next shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. 524. Swameva sarvatha pashyan, manyamana swamadvayam, swanandamanubhunjanaha, kalam nayamahamate. In this verse, Guru is telling, as long as you are in front of me, I am go on talking about this Atma. But once you go away from me, who will talk with you about this Atma? You have to recollect the teaching by yourself. As long as I am there, எனக்கு வேறு வேலையே இல்லை, இதுதான் ஆத்மா பற்றி தான் பேசிகிட்டே இருப்பேன். If you are in front of me, no problem. But one day or other, you have to go to your place. அது அவனுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம், நமக்கு அப்படி இல்லை. You can attend all the time as long as the teacher teaches here. See the advantage. If you go to a Gurukulam, after 3.5 years they will send you out. You have to come out. You cannot stay there long time. But here you have got another advantage. As long as you can attend the class, you can listen here. The course over, all of you go and சொல்ல மாட்டோம், வாங்கோ வாங்கோன்னு தானே சொல்கிறோம் இங்கே. 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years. So there is an advantage here, okay? But this student is not like that. He went to Gurukulam, he is going to come back. Who is going to teach? Then Guru says, Swam eva sarvadha pashyan. Swam sarvadha pashyan. Swameva, and you yourself. Swameva, you yourself alone. Sarvadha, and all the time. Sarvada means all the time. Sarvatha means everywhere. everywhere, sarvatha, everywhere, in everything. Swam advayam atmanaha pashyan. Swam atmanam, swam means your own. Advayam, swam means atmanam. What type of atma? Advayam atmanam. Non-dual self. Manyamanaha san. Doing mananam. Remembering. Manyamanaha means remembering. We are remembering so many things in the world. Guru tells, better remember Atma all the time. Enge Varadi Swamini, all the time Atma remembering. The toughest task. So, he says, Manyamanaha means doing mananam all the time. Manyamanaha san. Swam, again, Swananda manubhunjanaha. Anubhunjanaha means you enjoy. Anubhunjatana, you consume, as though consume. Anubhunjana, you enjoy what? Ananda anubhavam. That ananda, the sukham, what is that sukham? Swananda anubhunjana, your own self, you enjoy. That means reveling in your own swarupam all the time. Eppo morning, afternoon, evening or night? Where? Everywhere, all the time, in everything, I have to remember, in every vritti, I have to remember that I am the Atma Swarupam. That is Swananda Manubhunjana. Your own Ananda you enjoy. You enjoy. You need not have anything to be happy. You need not have anything to be happy. I am happy. Why? I am happy because I am happy. My nature is happiness. Anandam. Ada Swananda Manubhunjana. So what you do? Kalam Naya. You spend your time. Kalam means time. Naya, you spend, you lead. You spend your time. He is addressing the student. Mahamate. Mahamati means Mahati Matihi Yasya Saha. Who is having a Sukshma Buddhi. Great Buddhi, wonderful Buddhi, Manas. Because of such a wonderful, healthy mind, only he has received the teaching. Therefore, Mahamate, oh my dear student, whose mind is so great, capable of receiving the teaching, such you, Mahamati, addressing the student, Parango. Addressing the student as Mahamati, how much the Guru has understood the student's caliber. Mahamate, you spend your time, whatever you have received the teaching, never forget it. Ada the highest contribution we can give to the teacher. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் கொடுக்காமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அது வேற குருதட்சிணா. அசல் குருதட்சிணை எதுன்னா அது வேற குருதட்சிணா எதுக்குன்னா he has to eat, no? They also have to eat, they also have to take care of the body. Minimum requirements is there. This is antarangika Gurudakshina. That is external. Vyavaharikama, I have to do certain things to my Guru. But from Paramarthika angle, what is real Guru Dakshina? When can you make your Guru happy? Tell me. When Guru knows that you have understood the truth and abiding in the truth, then only the Guru is totally happy. Otherwise unhappy. Ille analu with more joy the Guru gets. Next shloka. Sarvatha means we have to understand Sarveshu Desheshu Kaleshu, all the time, in all places, an artham. Sarvasu Avasthasu. In every avastha you have to remember. When we are avastha padumodum kuda appuda gnapakame varanam. When we are struggling, there is crisis, we have to invoke the teaching. Otherwise, if I lose sight of the screen, what will happen? When I am seeing the movie, if I lose sight of the screen, the movie moves me. The movie moves me and I cry. If I remember the screen, all these are only just shadow. Really speaking, what is there on the screen? It is a shadow. Every picture is a shadow. But we never remember that it is a shadow. We take it as real. And tadatmyam with the serial. Why? I have forgotten the screen. There is a tube light behind the screen. TV screen, there is a big light behind. That's why I am able to see everything. Similarly, in every experience, actually I have to remember whom. Swa Anandam. My own real nature I have to remember. Upon which every dialogue is taking place, every role is playing, upon which the consciousness, every role is taking place. Teacher role, mother role, student role, all roles. But we are rolling in the roles and we have forgotten the source. That's why all problems. Samsaram. Next shloka. When you have any problem, only we take medicine. Generally we don't take medicine all the days. All the time we are taking medicine. No. ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தால் we will take medicine. Similarly, this aham brahmasmi mahavakya aushadham also, I need not remember all the time aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi ani sollanuma enna. But when that samsara is there in front of me, troubling me, disturbing me, that anatma is playing a role predominantly, I have to take this aham brahmasmi vakya aushadam. Aham brahmasmi nu sollana avladha. அந்த டைம்ல நமக்கு அப்போதான் மறந்துடுவோம். Generally we forget that time only. தியானம் பண்ணும்போது அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அப்போ அவசியமே இல்லை, நல்லா தான் இருப்போம். பட் வென் தகராறு வரும்போது, கிளாஷ் வரும்போது, டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் வரும்போது, while interaction is going on, Sunday, misconception, wrong communication is gap, some problem is going on. Vidave mudiyala Swamiji, eppadi how to solve annadu theriyala. Shastra says that time only you have to invoke your real nature. Vyavaharika ஜீவாக்கு குட் பை சொல்லி பாரமார்த்திக ஜீவான்னு இன்வோக் பண்ணு. அப்படி பண்ணினா யூ ஆர் த ஸ்தித பிரஜ்ஞா இத்தியர்த்தா. யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் நிஷ்டான்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த டைமில் நமக்கு ஞாபகம் வரலன்னா நிஷ்டா வரலன்னு அர்த்தம். ஞாபகம் வந்தால் வி ஆர் ஃபார்ச்சுனேட். புண்ணியம் அన్నమాట. அது ஈஸ்வர கிருப்பா குரு கிருப்பா இருந்தால் தான் அந்த டைமுக்கு நான் பிரம்மன்ங்கிறது டக்குன்னு பாரமார்த்திக ஜீவா லெவலுக்கு நான் போயிடுவேன். திஸ் வியாவஹாரிக ஜீவா வில் நாட் எஃபெக்ட் மீ. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. அகண்டபோதாத்மனி நிர்விகல்பே விகல்பனம் வ்யோம்னி புரப்பிரகல்பனம் ததத்வயானந்தமயாத்மனா சதா சாந்தி பராமேத்ய பஜஸ்வ மௌனம். Akhanda bodhatmani. Now see the second line. Yatha vyomni. Vyomni means in the space, in the sky we can take, in the akasha. Puraha prakalpayanam. Puraha means Gandharva Pattanam. Mandukya Upanishad we saw. When you see the akasha, the sky, there are so many designs. Different. Sometimes you see the elephant, sometimes you see the camels, sometimes you see the people, soldiers. No one is there. But it appears as though people are there, mountains are there, the same market is there. The Puram city, a big city is there. All people are walking as though it appears. If you see only, these are all relevant. Otherwise, if you have not seen, all are not relevant. Okay, in the evening times you have to see between 4 and 6. எல்லாம் மദ്രാஸில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் தெரியாது. If you are from village, I used to see. Therefore, I enjoy that. This puraha, prakalpana means you see, you project as though there is a puraha, city. Puraha prakalpanam. Tatha eva. Similarly, same way, akhanda bodhatmani nirvikalpe. Akhanda bodhatmani. Akhanda means divisionless. Bodhatmani. Upon that Atma, which nature is Jnana Swarupam. Bodha means Jnanam, knowledge. Akhanda Bodha means the divisionless Jnana Swarupa Atmani. That Atma, which nature, that Atma nature is knowledge, Jnana Swarupam, divisionless. Upon that Atma, nirvikalpe, vikalpa rahitam. Nirvikalpe. Just as you see the city in the sky where there is no city at all, but you see. This is called Jiva Srishti. Imagining yourself Similarly, even Nirvikalpa Atmani, which is Vikalpa Rahitam, upon that Atma, you are superimposing all names and forms. Tat Advayananda Maya, Anandamaya Atmana. Advayananda means same. Non-dual. Anandamaya Atmana means here Anandamaya means Swarupam, not Koshananda. That is Swarupananda. Atmana, with that Swarupa Ananda, which is non-dual, Sada, all the time, Param Shantim Etya. Sada, all the time, Shantim Param Etya. Etya means having attained. E dhatu. Etya levantam prapya ityartha. Shanti, peace. Eternal peace, supreme peace, having attained that. What to do? Don't do anything. Maunam bhajasva. Remain silent. Remain silent. Bhajasva means take two. Here we have to understand, in dream, when you wake up from the dream will disappear. Similarly, when you wake up from Jagradavastha to Jnanam, Paramarthika Sthiti, this Vyavaharika Prapancha will not disappear. Because we say the whole Jagat is like a dream. எல்லா உலகம் எல்லாமே சொப்னம் அப்பா అని சொல்றோமே இல்லையா? எல்லாம் சொப்னம் தான். This is like a dream. Then if it is like a dream, when I wake up from my dream, the dream disappears. Similarly, when I get Brahma Jnanam, this world dream also should disappear. அப்படிதானே கரெக்ட் ட்ரீம்னு சொல்ல முடியும். இது தனி ட்ரீமு, அந்த ட்ரீம் கிடையாது. இது போகாத ட்ரீம், கண்ணுக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஷியல் ட்ரீம் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஆஸ் லாங் ஆஸ் பாடி இஸ் தேர், திஸ் ட்ரீம் வேர்ல்ட் விச் இஸ் ஸ்வப்னம், it will continue, its experience will continue. Then what is the benefit of Advayanandam, Brahmanandam? This appearing Jagat, Swapna Tulyamana Jagat, it has no satta, it will not afflict you. It will not afflict you. Just as you wake up from the dream, that dream will not afflict you. You know that. That dream will disappear, it will not afflict you, you will not get any problem. Similarly, this dream also, even though it is appearing, it will not disturb you. So how much we have to invoke the Atma Swarupam Parango. So, ஞானி இந்த உலகம் பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பான், ஆனாலும் it will not affect him. அது மூலமாக வர கஷ்டம் துன்பம் ஒன்றுமே it will not touch him like a lotus leaf மாதிரி, தொடவே தொடாது. அது எப்படி சுவாமின்னா, அது எப்படி முடியும்? How is it possible? I used to give an example, tape recorder. When you are using that dubbing, another radio you can play. Suppose one cassette to one cassette you are dubbing to the other cassette. Okay? In tape recorder, you are dubbing one cassette. Potti innor cassette le copy pannikiral. Copy பண்ணும்போது you are playing that music. Another radio is there. You are playing the music. Will this music will enter into that cassette? Puriyaliyo example. Puriyada? Will this song or music will enter into that cassette la? Yeah, order of reality is different. Order of reality na, and the dubbing பண்ண cassette and the function mission mechanism வேறே, இந்த பாட்டை வர்றது வந்து இது வேறே. இது எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச எக்ஸாம்பிள், இது சொன்னால் புரியும்னு சொன்னேன். அது மாதிரி இந்த பாரமார்த்திக சத்திய ஆத்மா ஒன்ஸ் ஐ ஓன் அப், இந்த வியாபகாரிக ஜீவா மூலமாக வர கஷ்டம் துன்பம் எல்லாமே ஒரு பொய். இட் இஸ் லைக் ஏ பேப்பர் டைகர் மாதிரி. ஒன்றும் பண்ணாது. பேப்பர் டைகர் பார்க்கறதுக்கு டைகர் மாதிரி இருக்கும், ஒன்றும் பண்ணாது. அது மாதிரி இட் இஸ் அன் அலங்காரம், பூஷணம். வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் லைக் ஏ பூஷணம். தட்ஸ் வை வி சே எஃப்ஐஆர் குறையும். ஃப்ரீக்வென்சி of anger, frequency of hatred, frequency of jealousy, frequency of guilt, hurt எல்லாம் குறையும். அப்பப்போ வரும், அடிக்கடி வராது. Intensity also will be reduced. The intense anger after getting ஞானம், intense anger வரும் அப்பப்போ, ஆனாலும் intense anger வராது. இன்டென்ஸ் துவேஷா வராது, இன்டென்ஸ் ஹர்ட் வராது, இன்டென்ஸ் கில்ட் வராது. ஜஸ்ட் இட் கம்ஸ் a fraction of second and goes. Even ஞானி also get that, but it will not affect him. He will not be afflicted by that. Just passing. They are all passing. Recovery also immediately recovers. People will hurt. Even Gnani also get hurt. Censure, no? Criticism. Pleasure, sometimes tremendous pain. Physical pain, mental agony, all they are there. But the Gnani is one who recover immediately. Ade Agnani irundha ஐயோ ஐயோன்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பான். So much frequency is also more, intensity is also more, and recovery is also very very slow. இதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். இப்போ ரியலி we are assimilating the teaching என்ன எஃப்ஐஆர்னு வந்து அப்படி செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். எஃப்ஐஆர் எப்படி இருக்கு, மானிட்டர். ரியலி ஐ ஆம் ரிசீவிங் த டீச்சிங் ஆர் நாட், அந்த மானிட்டர் பார்த்தானே தெரியும் நமக்கு. ஸோ இஃப் ஐ எம் எஃப்ஐஆர் ஃபங்க்ஷனிங் ப்ராப்பர்லின்னா ஐ ஆம் ரிசீவிங் த டீச்சிங் ப்ராப்பர்லின்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ சாந்திம் பராம் ஏத்யா மௌனம் பஜஸ்வ. மௌனம் ஹியர் மீன்ஸ் நாட் வாங் மௌனம். Here internal silence. Never allow the mind to go to anatma. That is maunam. That is real maunam. That சும்மா இருந்து சுகம் பெரு என்ன, சும்மா இருக்க மாட்டோமே. Jadavat lokamacharethana. The Gnani is silent. He will never talk too much, and internally keeping the mind in silence. Silence and anartham, not allowing the anatma too much. That's maunam. Maunam bhajasva. Don't talk about this Vedanta with all people. You be yourself, maintain yourself in that Atma Swarupam. That's Maunam here. Otherwise you go on teaching to all people, those who are not prepared, Anabhyase Shastram Visham. When they are not qualified, Shamadama, Uparama, Titiksha, Shraddha, Samadhanam, Vairagyam, Vivekam is not there. If you talk about this Brahmajnanam with them, it is like a Visham Madri. All side effects ella vandudum. Allergy ella vandudum. அது மாதிரி யாருக்கிட்ட பேசக்கூடாது இந்த மாதிரி. For your sake only this is. That is called a real maunam. Next shloka. Shloka number 526. तूष्णीमवस्था परमोपशान्तिः बुद्धेरसङ्कल्पविकल्पहेतोः ब्रह्मात्मना ब्रह्मविदो महात्मनः यत्राद्वयानन्दसुखं निरन्तरम् Yatra, where Advayananda Sukham. So he is continuing the same word, Advayananda, Advayananda. என்ன ద్వయంలో ఆనందం கிடையாது, అద్వయంలో தான் ఆనందం இருக்கு అన్న. ద్వైతంలో there is no ఆనంద, అద్వైతంలో தான் ఆనందమే இருக்கு. Advayananda means you can take here it as Ananta ityartha, infinite, limitless. Sukham, limitless happiness. And suppose if I translate Sukham as happiness, we immediately take it as a experiential Ananda. So happiness is not the correct translation. Sukham anna sukham avladha. Ananta sukham, limitless sukham. Ananta sukham, nirantaram. Nirantaram. Nirantaram means in the form of jnana. Here, tishtati. We have to supply. Nirantaram tishtati, in the form of jnanam, that Ananda is my real nature. Antaram vina, nirantaram, unobstructed. Nirantaram anna unobstructed. Unobstructed anna no one can come and take away my Ananda. No person can take away my Atmananda. It is impossible. Asadhyam, dussadhyam also. But any other Ananda, experiential Ananda, anyone can come and any time they can take away from us. But Atmananda, no one can take. Yaru thirida mudiyadu. No one can steal it from us. And the better to have that which no one can steal from you, own up it. That anyone can steal at any time, better not to have that. No? That Atmananda, Nirantaram. Now, see the second line, third line. Brahma vidaha mahatmanaha brahmatmana asatkalpa vikalpa hetoho. All these wise people, Brahma Vidaha means wise people. Tasya, we have to supply. Tasya, to such a person. Who is that person? Brahma Vidaha, the knower of Brahman. Brahma Vidaha, Mahatmanaha. Who is real Mahatma? You understand? Generally we call everyone Mahatma. Mahatma, yaar Mahatma? Whose Jivatma is merged into Paramatma is called Mahatma. Atma anna Jivatma. Mahana Paramatma. ఎవనుடைய జీవాత్మ ఉంది పరమాత్మలో ఐక్యం ఆహరదో అవనుదా మహాత్మా అన్న. అది நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? அவருடைய ஜீவாத்மா வந்து பரமாத்மாவில் ஐக்கியம் ஆயிடுத்துன்னு நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, ஏதோ சொல்கிறோம் மகாத்மா அவரன்னு நினச்சி சொல்கிறோம். அதனால் யூ கெனாட் நோ அவுட் சைட். ஹீஸ் எ மகாத்மா. எவ்ரிபடி இஸ் காலிங் ஹீஸ் எ மகாத்மா, நமக்கு கூப்பிடுறோம். So really if you want to scrutinize, you can't scrutinize, you need not scrutinize. Whether that person Jivatma is merged with Paramatma or not, why I have to bother? What about my I the Jivatma? Am I merging with Paramatma or not? So therefore never calculate other people, never count about their life, history, all those things. முக்கால்வாசி நம்ம லைஃப் எல்லாம் இதில் வந்து வேஸ்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. அவர் எப்படி, இவர் எப்படி, அந்த அம்மா எப்படி, அந்த சுவாமி எப்படி, இந்த சுவாமி எப்படி, எல்லாரும் மூஞ்சி பார்த்து இவர் மகாத்மாவா இல்லையா மூஞ்சி பார்த்தாலே தெரியுமா என்ன? எல்லாம் கணக்கு பண்ணுறோம். இந்த கணக்கிலேயே நம்ம கணக்கு முடிஞ்சுடு இருக்கு. நம்ம கணக்குன்னா நம்ம லைஃப் ஸ்பேன் போயின்னு இருக்கு. when we are going to settle the account with Bhagavan, my account I have to settle. What is my account? அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி நான் சொல்லணுமே. அதுக்கு தானே பகவான் எனக்கு இந்த சரீரம் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. அந்த அக்கௌண்ட் செட்டில் பண்ணாமலே யார் யார் அக்கௌண்ட்டோ பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன்னா என்ன? அவர் அக்கௌண்ட் பார்த்து இவர் அக்கௌண்ட் பார்த்து வீட்டில் எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட்டு பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன். நிறைய அசல் அக்கௌண்ட் பாருப்பா அண்ணா. சாஸ்திர சேஸ் இல்லை பேங்க்கில் அக்கௌண்டன்ட்டு, அங்கே அக்கௌண்டன்ட் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவான். The final accountancy you have to do with Bhagavan. அது முடியலன்னா எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த்துக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ therefore he says Mahatmanaha, whose Jivatma is converted into Paramatma. That means through knowledge ன்னு அர்த்தம். கன்வெர்டட்னு எதுவும் சொல்லக்கூடாது. Through knowledge, who understood I the Jivatma is none other than Paramatma. The through knowledge. Mahatmanaha Brahmatmana. Brahmatmana means I am Brahman in spite of Vyavaharika thoughts, in spite of Vyavaharika world interaction. That's why யோக சமாதிக்கு பிரம்ம வேதாந்திக் சமாதிக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ். அங்கே போனால் யோக சமாதியில் தாட்டே இருக்கக்கூடாது. இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் ஓன் அப் யுவர் நேச்சர், ஹையர் நேச்சர், யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டாப் த மைண்ட். தே சே ஹியர் வேதாந்தின் சேஸ் இன் ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் தாட்ஸ் ஐ ஆம் பிரம்மன். Really speaking, all thoughts are up because of me only. Why I have to stop my thoughts? Foolish thing, no? And the thought irukkiradhu nanu moolama, the thought is shining because of me. Why I have to stop my thoughts? They are not obstructions to me. They are not obstacles to me. I know the nature of thought. Vritti is because of me. Without I, the consciousness, Brahman, Vritti cannot stay at all. Why I have to control my mind? Why I have to stop my mind? I need not stop. Therefore, I am Brahman in spite of Vyavaharika thought. So, every thought is because of me, the consciousness. So, what thought I have to be free? Freedom from binding thought. அதிலிருந்து வெளிப்படுமே தவிர அசல் தாட் இல்லாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. சப்போஸ் எவ்ரி ஞானி இஸ் ஏ தாட் ஃப்ரீ பர்சன் நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன். அப்போ ஸ்டோனுக்கு அவனுக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸு? எவ்ரி ஞானி இஸ் லைக் ஏ ஸ்டோன் அண்ணா. என்ன ஸ்டோனுக்கு தாட்டு கிடையாது, இவருக்கு தாட்டு கிடையாது. அப்போ ஞானி ஆல்சோ லைக் ஏ ஸ்டோன். No, nobody wants to be like a stone. Gnani happily enjoys the thoughts. Happily enjoys thoughts. That's why Pujya Swamiji was telling that day. Why you have to negate these fantasies? Mind, let it enjoy what is there. See the mind as that nature of Brahman. அப்படி பாருப்பா, இந்த மைண்ட் கட்டிலிங் த மைண்டு, ஆல் தீஸ் தாட்ஸ், பாசிட்டிவ் தாட்டு, ரைட் தாட்டு, எதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் வம்பு? அசல் அந்த தாட்டே பிரம்மஸ்வரூபமாக பாருன்னு சொல்கிறார். பாருங்க. அதர்வைஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்ட்ரகிள் ஆல் த டைம். ஸோ எவ்ரி திங் வேர் த மைண்ட் கோஸ் தேர் யூ ஆர். The thought is there. So therefore, tushnim avastha parama upashantihi. So we see the second line. Buddhehe asatkalpa vikalpa hetoh. Buddhehe means the mind. Asatkalpa vikalpa hetu. That means the mind which is the cause. Hetu means cause. Cause of what? Asat kalpam. Cause of projection. Unreal things it projects. Vikalpa means projection. Asat kalpa means mithya. Which is mithya? Mind job is nothing but projection. Always projecting. இதுவோ அதுவோ ஏதோ ஒன்று. என்ன பண்ணுறது மைண்டு? ஆல்வேஸ் வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ் ப்ரொஜெக்டிங் இஸ் வாட்? அனாத்மாதா, மித்யாதா. ஸோ அசத் கல்ப விகல்ப. விகல்ப மீன்ஸ் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன். இதுதான் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி. And that projection is mithya. Asatkalpa vikalpa buddhehe hetu. This is the mind is the cause of projecting the unreal things. So from that we have to be tushnim avastha. Tushnim parama upashanti avastha. Parama upashanti means supreme withdrawal. Upashanti means withdraw from that mithya projections. Enough unreal projections பண்ண வரைக்கும் போதும். நான் விடமாட்டேன் மைண்டு. If you project tomorrow, you will give reality to that and you will pay price to that. Therefore project பண்ணும் போது ஜாகிரதையாக இரு. அந்த மித்யாத்துக்கு ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணி அதுக்கு ரியாலிட்டி கொடுத்துட்டு திருப்பி வம்பு எல்லாமே மனசுக்கு சொல்லணும். ஏய் ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணாது, ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டியாக பாரு. அது உன்னுடைய சப்ஜெக்டிவிட்டி ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் எதுக்கு? அதுக்கு எல்லாம் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் பண்ணாது. சப்போஸ் ரெயின் இஸ் கம்மிங், லெட் இட் கம். ஐயோ இப்போ வந்ததே ரெயின், அதுதான் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி. ரெயின் ஆஸ் ரெயின் ஐ ஹேவ் டு என்ஜாய். If I put any condition upon that, it is Jiva Srishti. That is called mithya. That is my projection. So that gives sukha dukkha. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டின்னு நான் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறதுக்கே தயாராகவே இல்லை. அதுதானே கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்கோம். ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி தான் ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ ஃப்ரீடம் ஃப்ரம் த கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ். ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி கிரியேட்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ். மித்யா is as good as non-existent. If I know that it is non-existent, I am free from stress. If I give reality to that projection mithya, I am always distress. I am always in distress. If I know that is mithya, I am freedom from stress. So next shloka. This is the meaning. Therefore, Guru tells, be free from tushnim avastha param upashantihi bhavati. Ananta sukham bhavati. Tushnim iru, chumma iru. Never project the unreal things. The wise people never do that. Where there is unobstructed Advayananda Sukham, they are free from all these projections. Nasti nirvasanat maunam. Mauna. Nirvasanat mauna param sukhakur param sukha. Param sukhakruduttamam sukhakruduttamam vijñātātmasvarūpasya svanandarasapāyinah. Vijnata Atmaswarupasya. Atmaswarupasya Vijnata. The one who knows the Atmaswarupam. Swa Ananda Rasapayinaha. One who drinks. Payinaha means one who drinks. One who drinks the nature of that Ananda, who knows the nature of Ananda, and drinks means what? Revel. There is no better source of Ananda than this. Sukha krit uttamam na asti. Other than this Ananda, there is no sukham. What is that Ananda? Nirvasanat maunat param. Nirvasanat mauna means freedom from disturbing non-Vedantic thinking. Mauna means here freedom from. Nirvasana means disturbing non-Vedantic thinking. You cannot stop the vasanas. Purva Janma vasanas, Swabhava, they are coming. But after studying scriptures, those vasanas will not disturb you. That is called Nirvasanat Maunam. Vasana, totally vasanas you cannot negate. Unhealthy vasanas, you suspend. You suspend them. They will not disturb you. From those vasanas you maintain the maunam, means silent. You are silent, will not encourage them. You look at them as mithya, unreal. You handle them in healthy way. You will never suppress those vasanas. You will never look at those vasanas as the obstacles. Irindi pogatume, irukatume. They are all rising, coming, going, but they will not touch me. I am Paramarthika Satyam Atma Swarupam. Vasanas are Vyavaharika Satyam, unreal. Therefore, I am Asangaha. The Vasana problem kuda kadiyadu. Jnanike. He is free from vasanas. So vasanaye poi. Adi moolam enna problem varaporudhu. All these are once after getting nishtha only. Okay. So 1 week we will take up to get nishtha more. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.